In this video, we are going to conquer one of the most annoying things Honda has ever made, that dumb seatbelt beep. Stick around to find out how we did it, and I hope you enjoy.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to... What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're tuning in. Today we are working on the Civic, right? As you saw in the last video, this will be my new project car. Since I 360 no scope that thing, I miss it. Anywho, enough being sad, we got a new project car, and the first thing we're doing is this thing called the ICU. Now, since the passenger gets everything nice on the car, they get their automatic seat belts. Mine doesn't work. I have it locked in place, right? I literally undid the motor, right? I thought that would solve the beeping, but no. Honda, I hate you. I love you. Love-hate relationship. No Alice in Chains, right? But yeah, it beeps, and it's this thing called the ICU that controls all of the automatic sensors and everything, right? So, if you wanted to unplug that, we would lose the automatic seatbelts. So what people do in the Honda community is they just take it out and gouge that damn speaker. Just like that. Just like that. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get into it. Maybe asking, why are we disconnecting the battery? Well, it's just a good thing to do, right, when doing anything electrical, that we don't get... Also, though, this car has a huge power drain from somewhere. I don't know where, but it's at 183 on the multimeter. That's not good. It should be around a 50 for these cars. So something is drawing power constantly to where every time I park it, I have to disconnect the battery or it will die within 4 hours. So that's not good, but just a good practice to do it when messing with electrical. So the ICU is located under the kick panel underneath the radio and is held in by two 10s. All right, let's get down in the nitty gritty. All right. Yeah, this is the ICU. Ooh, I like how intimate this is. Me and my cameraman are getting down. I don't know what all this wiring is. I'm sure it doesn't matter. Our ECU is behind there, so if we want to look real race car, we could undo that. Anywho. All right, let's just see if we can go finger on that bazooka. After a lot of finger training, you could get it out. So you're just gonna repeat for the other side. Can you see what it's getting caught up on there or no? Yeah. Alright, familia, so we got it out. And now we need to plug these wires.
Texting this girl on the job. Oh shit.
Chill. Alright, fool. So we got this screw out. I don't even know what size that is, but there's two holding in the bracket. There's one more on this side. I don't know if you can get a little close up. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Flip the script shit, man. Spit it out. Got the housing off. We've been having some camera issues. It's fine. Just buy a new phone with all the money. I don't make any money from this, so please help me get monetized. We're at 500 subscribers. All I need is 500 more, please. Alright, so this, I'm no electrician, but, I'm assuming there's 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. And then somewhere controls the... this one controls the seat belts or something like that. But this right here is the speaker. And giving credit to Car Life Detailing Services for, coming up with this torturing Honda simulator. Yeah, so we're just going to destroy everything in it. just with fucking force. Dude. No, for real, how did he get in there, though? Ooh. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with a Phillips and stretch it like it's an anal therapy. Oh. Oh, did I just... I think I just made an oopsie. Because, like, the motherboard is loose from it. You know what I mean? So I don't want to, like... Oh. Wait. Uh-oh. I think this is the end. Is that on camera? So I'm trying to destroy the speaker. It came off the motherboard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug it back in, left open like this, and see if it works. Okay, so I plugged it back in. It's just open brains like that for right now until, because I don't know if I messed it up or not. But we're gonna start the car. If this works, this will be amazing. Don't mind the mess. I just look like a true freaking Honda boy now with everything exposed. I don't know if y'all know, but I've had a little too much sugar today. That's why I'm excited. Hold on, let's close the door. Yes! That light is still on though. And the video said it deletes the light. Car detailing DIY on YouTube. I will find you. It's just a nice little 4-knuckle shuffle to the face. But it works. And that's all that matters. Thank you for watching the video. It works. It's a little rowdy. It's a little frag out. It's a little sketchy. It's a little ghetto. It doesn't matter because that's how you get things done around here. So yeah, if you enjoy more of the content on the Civic, drop a freaking like and follow. You know, subscribe, hit that bell notifications. I will be posting every Wednesday around 3:30 p.m. or so. You know, and it's sad to say that, you know, tuning up the Teggy won't be here, but cruising with the Civic is now here. I don't know, I just made that on the spot. Let's see. Come on, let's thank you to my cameraman, by the way. He's been filming this whole thing, right? Let's come up with something on the spot.
Let's see.
Next video.
Let's get it. Hauling ass in the Honda.
Hauling ass in the Honda. That's not gonna stick for a series, but I'm glad
It
you
works
tuned
on the
in.
spot.
Right, it works on the spot, and that's all that matters. So, if you enjoyed this video, like I said, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.